Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge and Education Hub. In this series of lecture module, we will learn about the basics to advanced statistics of data science. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. As we learning applied statistics, let's first understand what is the definition of statistics and what does it do. Statistics is a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and organization of data. Summary of this definition in statistics converts lots of data in something information which is meaningful, and this information is based on some decision and action. When talk about statistics, two broad branches are coming. First is descriptive statistics, summary of data population. Second is inferential statistics, based on random sample from population make inference about the population. In descriptive statistics, we are looking summary of data. So let's say I have a data set in which I have 29 states of India, and for each of their state there is a population, the area, the literacy rate, and all the information in the table. So if I need to find out what's the average number of people each state, average area, that I would call as a descriptive statistics, because that is sometimes which is summarizing the data or the information that I have. So it is called a descriptive statistics. Two important things are in statistics. First is population and second is sample. As we move in this course, we will learn more and more about that. But one thing is need to understand what is the population. Population is a big thing and sample is a small thing which we take out from that. So the whole population of a country and all the people in a country is a population, and if we take out some people, randomly select some people and find out some relevant thing for these people, that would be a sample. You just seen the sample when you might have gone through some survey through which these people wanted to know which party you support, what's income, that is in sampling. Sampling become important when we talk about inferential statistics. Here inferential statistics, which is second branch of statistics. Here we pick random sample, and based on that random sample we try to infer about the population. So rather than finding out the height of all the people in a country, you randomly select 100, 200 or 5,000 people, measure the height of these people, and based on that you can estimate with the good confidence that what is the average height of all people in the country. You don't need to measure height every person in the country. You can just pick certain number of sample, and based on these samples you can infer about the population. Here in this course we will learn first descriptive statistics, and then later on we will move on inferential statistics. Thank you for watching this video.